With an active LTE subscription, the Bounce Kids smartwatch makes it easy to keep an eye on your child's location so you can breathe easy. In this video, we'll show you how to use these location tracking features anytime you like. Remember, before you can use any of these location features, you must have completed the initial setup of your child's Bounce and have activated your LTE subscription. If you haven't done this already, check out the other videos in this series for more information about getting Bounce up and running. Throughout the day, your child's Bounce periodically sends updates with their location. To see where your child is at any time, simply open the Garmin Junior app on your compatible smartphone and tap Location. The map will show your kiddo's location along with how recently their location was last updated. If needed, you can press Refresh at the top of the screen. For more information, select a child, then tap the History button. This view will show you where your child has been recently and at what time. Tap on a marked location and it will even show you the address of the location your child has visited and when. In History View, you can also see the times when your child has entered or exited any custom location boundaries you created. More on that later. If you like, you can ask your child to manually check in with their location. For example, this is helpful when you want to know that they arrived safely at a friend's house or when their ride drops them off at sports practice. There are two ways your child can do this. First, they can press the top button on their Bounce and then tap the icon on the upper left. Then, they simply tap Check In. They'll see a screen where they can confirm that they want to send their location by pressing Send. They can also press and hold the top button or swipe down from the watch face view to bring up the controls menu, then tap the location pin icon. Whichever way they prefer, they'll wait a few moments while their location is sent. The watch will vibrate to let them know it was sent successfully. You'll get a notification from the Garmin Junior app that your child has checked in and where they are now. We mentioned earlier that you can monitor your child's location by creating boundaries. For example, you can create a boundary around your home or around your child's school, then receive a notification when your child enters or exits the area. To establish a boundary, start on the Location tab and tap the More icon in the top right. Then select Add a new boundary. Tap the Address field to display the map, which will be centered on the address you entered. It will show your phone's current address by default. Enter a new address to create a boundary on a different location. When complete, you'll return to the map view. If you ever need to remove or make changes to the boundary you created, simply tap the More icon again and select Manage Boundaries. You can also track your child's location in near real time by using LiveTrack. To start a LiveTrack session, open the Garmin Junior app and tap on Location and select the child you want to track. Then select LiveTrack. You will see your child's position update on the map in near real time and with the direction they are traveling and how fast they are going. When you're done, touch End LiveTrack. When your child starts an outdoor activity, the Garmin Junior app will send you a notification. From there, you can access location in the app and start a LiveTrack session to follow along during their activity. To start an activity on the watch, press the upper right button and touch the activity icon. Then touch Activities. Here, select an activity type. For this video, we will select Run, followed by Outside. Wait for GPS to be acquired and then press the Start button. In the Garmin Junior app, touch Location and then touch LiveTrack. Along with the location information, you will also see activity time, distance, and pace information. When the activity is complete, or if you no longer need to track your child, touch End LiveTrack. And that's all there is to it. To learn more about using the other features on your child's Bounce, be sure to watch the other videos in this series.